Are your photos in a digital mess? Well, this is the course for you. It is time to take control with Photo Mess to Success. Let me guide you through my tried and tested straightforward paths to taking all of your photos from apps, devices and drives to get them beautifully sorted so that you can decide where and how you want to store and enjoy your photos. I often hear people say, I wish there was one app that would magically sort all of my photos. Okay, there isn't just one, but in this course I share with you the secret combination of programs to take you from photo mess to success. Not only that, you have a choice of paths to follow, with the free path that won't cost you any more money but will take a little bit longer, and the fast path which will need some investment but you will get you to your goal way quicker, so the choice is yours. This course is all about taking each step one at a time, and I will be there to guide you every step of the way. So come on over and join me, and let's turn your photo mess to success.